everyone, this is G Friday. Welcome back. And we're still doing unboxing gift number 2 from my birthday. Today is the 2nd of May. It's a Saturday here in Fort Lee, New Jersey. I hope you guys are keeping safe, keeping healthy, keeping happy. Alright, so as I promised, this is unboxing number 2. Alright, let's take a look. So we have a carrying case. Let me leave it there. A landing pad. This looks really cool as well. And the most important piece, the DJI Mavic Mini. Yes, my first drone. I'm very excited about this. Leave it there. So guys, like I promised, I'll do unboxing of this one. And hopefully we will get to play with it in another video once we're able to go outside and actually fly the Mavic Mini. I also have my other camera here to give you guys a different perspective of what we're unboxing. Alright, so let's get things started. So this is fairly simple, fairly straightforward. There you go. That was easy. Alright, so this is a landing pad. The landing pad. I wonder where the zipper is. Okay, found it. Whoa, okay, there's a lot of stuff in there. Okay. It's so cool. A blue H, an orange H. Again, landing pad. Blue, orange. I'm gonna leave that there. Hopefully it stands up. There we go. Let's leave the landing pad there. Alright, very cool. What are these things? I have no clue what these things are, but anyways, it's a landing pad. That's where you would want to land your drone, or my drone. Alright, anyway, let's keep it aside. You have a landing pad. And the next one is it says Mavic Mini carrying case. Alright, here's how do you open this thing. Okay, I see it. Very exciting. These are exciting stuff for me. Opening stuff up, seeing what it looks like for the very first time, giving my very first reaction to it. Oh god. Wow, it's a really sturdy case. Okay. Made by PG Tech. See what's inside. If there's anything inside, it's just a carrying case, right? Oh, this is pretty cool. It has 2 different compartments. The first compartment is to put the drone and all the cords, batteries, and whatnot. Right? And the other compartment you could leave, I don't know what you could leave in here. Stuff. And you could put whatever over here. And then there's a Velcro to just hold it in place. I guess the drone goes here. Wow, is the drone really that small? Alright, we'll find out later. But really cool carrying case. Let's leave that there. So exciting. And it also comes with a 32 gigabyte micro SDHC, I guess, memory card, for obviously taking videos and whatnot when it's flying. So I'm really excited because I'm looking at the Mavic Mini drone, and what we want to do is take cinematic views and whatnot when we go to like the beaches of Puerto Rico, of Hawaii, of the Philippines, of Guam, and so many other places that we want to take like aerial shots of things, or even here all over New York, like the George Washington Bridge, Times Square, Central Park, and hopefully I'm allowed to do it. There are certain restrictions here in the United States on flying drones. You basically just need to register for, I believe, $5. I'll read up on it, but I believe to register your drone for $5, or for something this small and this light, it is exempted from registration or certain restrictions. All right, so very excited to get this because it is a perfect size. So let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, funky stuff. All right, so here is the drone. I think that's the hand thing. The controller. Some rules, manuals, user guides. Yeah, that's it. And I don't know what this is. Maybe the battery. Or some cords and stuff. Extra propellers. Hopefully I don't crash it. But extra stuff. I really don't know what all of this, and of course extra USB cord connector. So let's leave those there. Let's leave this on the side. This is. I love how small it is. It is the controller. Okay, I should leave that there. Sorry guys, it's my first time opening this thing, so never really owned a drone, so not really sure how things work. Oh, I see. I see. I understand. So these are the antennas, and it has, instructions over here, right, on which one goes up first. So 1, antennas. Okay, 2, the plugs. 3. Okay. I get it. And this is where you put your cell phone in. And it's a perfect timing because the other unboxing was for a new cell phone, which I totally need. So yeah, you put your cell phone here to control it. And this is really cool. And this is what I truly love. Like, this Mavic Mini is so small. I can put it in the palm of my hands. Okay, propellers are tied together. Alright. I was like, should I remove this sticker? Why not? Let's do it. There's a cover on the video on the camera with. I think this has a internal gimbal. It's so exciting and so freaky as well. So how I've seen this done is like this. You open it up. It actually, in all honesty, it looks like a small frog to me. There you go. Pretty small. And like I said, it fits in the palm of my hand. That is so cool. Let me take a closer view of it, and I can share this with you guys too. So looking at the details of the Mavic Mini, let's do a record. Alright, so this is the Mavic Mini. Right, so it's by DJI, DJI Mavic Mini. And these are its paraphernalias, like USB cords and things, extra propellers, user guides, and flying with control. Question mark? Hopefully. And I've never really flown one before, so it's gonna be interesting. This is the controller, so with 2 antennas. And these things, this is to clamp your cell phone. So where my hand is right now, this is where your cell phone would be. And you'd have to download an app that would control the drone or the Mavic Mini. And this over here is the Mavic Mini, all opened up. If you see, there's the camera and has a protector or a screen guard that obviously you need to take off when you're flying the drone. These are its propellers, really cool. This is what it looks like underneath. So just need to keep it clean, and hopefully it doesn't crash land in anything. I think that would be the worst thing if I actually crash this thing, but so totally love this. And guys, if you guys are curious how much I bought this for, I think this whole set, I bought it in Amazon for under $500. I think $479 or something like that. I'll put it down so you guys would know, but it's definitely under $500. It's not cheap. I did save up for this, so and yeah, like I said, it's really just to be able to do better videos to share with you guys, of course. Do cinematics on, like, you know, views of New York, of New Jersey, of Central Park, of the Hudson River, all these cool places, or even beaches. Like I said earlier, I have a few plans for the year. Hopefully I get to do all of this, but going to the beaches of Puerto Rico, going to the beaches of Guam, going to the beaches of Hawaii, even hopefully going to the beaches of the Philippines. So yeah, so very excited. Sorry, it's now such a big mess. Let me just turn this off. So yeah, this would be my second unboxing video. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this, and like I said, I'm not going to try to fly this indoors because I'm worried that with such a limited space in here, it's just going to crash into something and break. So yeah, this is my unboxing number 2 for the Mavic Mini, DJI's Mavic Mini drone. Guys, if you enjoy this unboxing video, please leave me a big thumbs up, click on the like button. If you want to leave me positive and constructive comments, and let me know in the comment what type of drones you guys enjoy flying. I know a lot of people have like bigger drones. This is, I believe, one of the smaller drones, the Mavic Mini, but there is the Mavic Air and all of the different drones. So let me know, how is your drone flying experience, and if you're enjoying the scenes that you're taking from the drone. Just a completely awesome and different viewpoint. So yeah, and of course, join in the family. Click, subscribe, click on the subscribe button, join the family, and join the fun. Alright, guys, have an awesome weekend. It's still, today is Saturday, so we still have one more day for the weekend. And we don't go back to work on Monday, but we just work from home. But hey, it still work. Alright guys, if you enjoy this type of video, leave me great comments, and yeah, have a wonderful weekend. Alright, this is G Friday. Ciao!